Good evening, viewers. Welcome to iBrain Maths. Let's quickly look at this question. What are the values of x, y, and z if x, y is 6, y, z is 2, and x, z is 12? The first thing that comes to mind is that let me make x the subject, substitute, and get quadratic equation. Why going through that long process when you can actually get the answer maybe in 3 or 4 lines? Let's go and see the solution. So in this, the first thing is that I'll call this xy equals to 6 my equation 1. Xy equals to 6, I'll call it my equation 1. Yz equals to 2, I'll call it 2. And xz, I'll call it my equation 3. So what I'll do first is that I'll multiply the 3 equations together. 1 times 2 times 3. So 1 times 2 times 3. So what I'm going to get is x times x, have double x, that's s squared, y and y squared, z and z, that is z squared. And this is exactly going to give me 6 times 2 times 12. So 6 times 2 times 12. So I'm going to have x, y, z all in square. This is the same thing as this. 6 times 2 is 12, 12 times 12 is 144. So next thing is that I can take the square root of both sides in order to eliminate this square. So I'm going to have x, y, z square root. Don't forget there is a square there before. Then I'm going to have square root of 144. Since I'm not only limiting myself to positive integers, so I'll take plus or minus, because when you take the square root, you are going to take plus or minus, because plus the square of positive number and the square of negative number, everything is what? Positive number. So in this case, the square will cancel square root. I'm going to have x, y, z equals plus or minus 12. Now I'm almost done, so you can call this 4. So from this equation 4 now, just observe something. If I want to get my x now, I'll say my x is a plus or minus 12 over yz. If I want to get y, I can say plus or minus 12 over this x and what? Z. And the last one, if I want to get the value of z, I'm going to have plus or minus 12 over xy. So from this, just to do substitution straight away, plus or minus 12 over what's yz from equation 2. I have 2 here, this plus or minus 6. Then for this, I have plus or minus 12 over xz is 12, which is plus or minus 1. And the last one is plus or minus 12 over what's my xy. This is 6 from equation 1, and this plus or minus 2. So what does that mean? I have my x to be plus or minus 6, y to be plus or minus 1, z to be plus or minus 2. And this is it. It has saved you the stress. Thank you so much for listening.